In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional photo collage using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're looking to make a personalized gift or just spice up your photography portfolio, creating a collage is a fantastic way to combine your favorite images into one cohesive piece of art. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you're already familiar with some of its basic functionalities, you'll find that creating a collage is both simple and fun. But don't worry if you're new to this because I'll walk you through everything. Once Adobe Photoshop is up and running, the next step is to create a new canvas. Think of your canvas as the blank slate where your collage will take shape. You'll want to choose a canvas size that fits your vision. If you're planning to print your collage, make sure to select dimensions that match your desired print size. Otherwise, for digital presentations, explore different size options to see what works best. With your canvas ready to go, it's time to introduce some structure by adding ruler lines. Ruler lines are essentially guidelines that help you to align your images perfectly, ensuring everything looks professionally laid out. To add these, simply click on the ruler at the top or side of your workspace and drag the line onto the canvas. Aim to create sections that can accommodate 4 images. This setup will provide a balanced layout, but feel free to toy around with different sections if you're feeling inventive. Now comes the exciting part. Adding your images. Choose the photos you want to feature in your collage. Drag and drop each image onto the canvas, positioning them within the guidelines you established earlier. Photoshop layers each image individually, allowing you to move and resize each one without disturbing the rest. Use the transform tool to adjust each image, making sure it fits neatly into its designated section. If necessary, zoom in for a more detailed view, and take advantage of the grid lines for precise alignment. As you place each photo, think about the story or theme you're trying to convey with your collage. Are there similar color schemes or focuses that draw the images together? Play with different placements until you find a combination that resonates with you. Remember, a cohesive look is key to a professional appearance. Finally, once you've arranged your images to your liking, take a moment to review your work. Examine the overall composition and see if there are any adjustments you'd like to make. Perhaps add some subtle enhancements like shadows or borders if they enhance your artistic vision. And there you have it, a professional photo collage created in Adobe Photoshop. Feel free to share your masterpiece with friends, family, or on your social media platforms to showcase your creative skills. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.